Good day everyone, my name is Winona Princess Amrosito, and today I will be administrating a postmortem care. It is a physical care for a patient who is recently expired. So we are doing this for the family of the patient to be able to view the patient, and as well as to prevent any discoloration and to prevent any deformities for the patient physical body. Okay. Creating a postmortem for the patient. So first I will put a sign on the outside of the door, and at the same time close the curtain and the door for the privacy. And after that I will ready all the equipment that I will going to use, especially for the blood wash, the waterproof pad, the towel, also the basin, and also the body. I also ready the body bag. I will ready the body bag, the patient, and the pad sheet, and also the labels. The three labels for the patient identification, drugs, and also alcohol for hygiene. So after that I will now do hand hygiene to prevent spread of microorganisms. I will now wear my gloves to prevent contact of any body fluids as well. Okay, after wearing my gloves, after wearing my gloves, I will now remove any sheet and dump it to the patient and as well the patient cash. Okay. So if it's not solved, we are going to put this aside. Okay, after that we are now going to remove any IV linens, tubing, or catheters on the side. Okay, so we're going to check if there is any. Okay, so there is none. After that we are now going to proceed and check if there is any dentures and glassware as well. So if there is any dentures and glassware, we are going to put them on a container, and later on we are going to put them inside together with the patient on the body bag. Okay, so first I am now going to give the patient a blood punch. After that, since we are done with giving blood back to the patient, we are now going to put a label on the patient's wrist and also to the patient's arms for identification. And after that, I am just going to hide the patient, and I will ready the body bed. But first I will put a flat blanket on the patient first. Okay, after that I will position the patient on the side. And I will remove the patient. After that, I will now unfold the body bag. Okay, after that, I will touch it in the patient again. After a while, we are going to put this on a basin, on the basket. Just assume that it is. So, we are going to put that by the body. Okay, we are just going to remove the pillow as well. Assume that this area is so we are just going to set it aside. Okay, after that we are going to tap this old linen on the body bag, okay? After that, we are going to put a gauze on the patient's eyes and also to the patient's nose so that we can prevent any irritation, also to preserve the patient appearance. And at the same time, we're going to put towel underneath the chin as well. Okay. After that, we are now going to zip the body bag, okay? This will be we're now going to zip the body bag. Okay, then after zipping the body bag, we are going to ensure to tie them together, okay? We're going to tie them together to secure it, okay? After that, we're going to put another needle for the patient identification. And lastly, we're going to put another cover or plastic over the body bag to give respect to the family and at the same time for the privacy of the patient, okay? And now we are done and we're now going to remove our gloves so yan natin